some of those involved.
I was quite lazy, sad, just generally upset and angry most of the time. So I was just stuck indoors because of lockdown. But now gone out and I'm feeling a lot better.
It's about reducing the levels of anxiety, cortisol levels. It's about, feeling safe somewhere outside. It's choosing a task, so, having ownership of your work. It's being proud of something. Time for the weather now. It is Elizabeth. Hello there, good afternoon. Following the blue sky, the sunshine and the 18 degrees Celsius that we saw yesterday, today is a little disappointing. There's a lot more cloud around, it's cooler, and there's a brisk easterly breeze blowing too. It's feeling quite blustery in places. But this morning we did start off with plenty of blue sky and sunshine, as recorded by our weather watcher here in Greenwich. And